Are you looking for the best countertop water filters? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best countertop water filters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Brondell Countertop Water Filtration System. The Brondell Countertop Water Filtration System is one of those rare finds that blends power with convenience. We found that this countertop water filter delivers crisp, odor-free water while taking up surprisingly little space on the counter. The Brondell Cypress has been independently tested and certified by the Water Quality Association, WQA, to meet NSF/ANSI standards 42, 53, and 372, and it uses a patented 3-stage nanotrap filtration system with carbon block technology to capture a wide range of impurities, including bacteria, viruses, VOCs, and other harmful chemicals. During testing, we were impressed by how easy it is to set up. For most standard faucets, installation only required attaching the provided adapter and tightening it into place, which took around 10 minutes. For those with non-standard faucets, there's an optional under-counter connection available for purchase. When we tried that method, it took closer to 30 minutes to hook up to the main cold water line and install the T-valve. Once connected, the system dispensed fresh, clean water instantly with no waiting required. One thing to note, the Brondell Cypress may not be compatible with pull-down or pull-out faucets, so check your fixture style before purchasing. The filter trio includes a Composite Plus filter, a nanotrap filter, and a carbon block filter. The first and third stages need to be replaced every 6 months, while the nanotrap filter lasts about a year. Even with this multi-layer system, the Brondell takes up minimal counter space at just 3.75 by 10.5 by 13.5 inches. Between its sleek design and standout performance, it's a reliable pick for anyone who wants cleaner, better-tasting water without the installation headaches of a built-in system. Filtration type: 3-stage carbon and nanotrap filtration, contaminants filtered, chlorine, heavy metals, lead, PFOA, PFOS, VOCs, and other impurities, retains minerals, yes, certified by WQA Gold Seal to NSF/ANSI 42, 53, 401, and 372 dimensions, 10.5 by 13.5 by 3.75 inches. Number 2. AlcaPure Countertop Reverse Osmosis Filter. For those focused on fluoride removal, the AlcaPure Countertop Reverse Osmosis Filter proved to be one of the strongest performers we tested. With growing concern that excessive fluoride may cause issues such as tooth discoloration and bone weakness, this model is designed to help address that by removing up to 95% of fluoride and as much as 99% of other contaminants. 12. Setup is simple since it's a countertop model that doesn't need plumbing, just plug it in and pour water into the front drawer. During testing, we found it removed all traces of any chlorine odor as well as the faint metallic taste from our city tap water. The resulting water tasted light, crisp, and noticeably cleaner. We did notice that the water filtering process does take some patience. It takes roughly 15 minutes to produce a half gallon of clean water, so you'll likely find yourself refilling the unfiltered water drawer throughout the day. The device's reverse osmosis membrane and filters have been certified by the International Association of Plumbing and Mechanical Officials, IAPMO, to NSF standards 42 and 58, but the unit itself is not fully NSF certified according to the NSF database. The membrane should be replaced every 2 years, while the other 3 filters last about a year. 3. A built-in LED display conveniently signals when it's time for replacements, taking the guesswork out of maintenance. While the AlcaPure sits on the higher end of the price range and is a bit larger than some of the competition, 9.5 by 14.5 by 16.25 inches, its impressive performance, polished design, and highly effective fluoride reduction make it well worth the investment. Filtration type: reverse osmosis, contaminants filtered, chlorine, industrial chemicals, pesticides, herbicides, turbidity, VOCs, microorganisms, retains minerals, no, certified by IAPMO dimensions, 9.5 by 14.5 by 16.25 inches. Number 3. Aquasana Clean Water Machine. If you're looking for a fast, compact, and reliable countertop filter, the Aquasana Clean Water Machine hits all the right notes. This countertop water filter measures on the smaller side at just 9.7 by 8 by 11.6 inches, making it easy to find a countertop spot for it under a cabinet. You'll also need to place it near an outlet since that's part of the magic. This filter uses powered filtration rather than gravity. That design allows you to access filtered water much faster than with most systems. In testing, we found that it only took 15 seconds to filter 16 ounces of water. We did notice a small issue when filling a gallon container, as the dispenser sits only a few inches from the filter housing, leaving limited clearance and some minor splashing. The filter is easy to operate by simply pressing the rapid release button to start and tapping it again to stop. We were impressed that this single activated carbon filter cleared up the cloudy appearance of our tap water and removed both metallic and chlorine odors and aftertaste. To boot, this model doesn't remove beneficial minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and potassium. Tested and certified by the WQA, this filter meets NSF standards 42, 53, and 401. Setup took us about 10 minutes, including flushing the system as the company recommends when replacing the filter. Each filter lasts around 6 months, and a built-in indicator light lets you know when it's time for a replacement. The filters are conveniently sold in 2-packs for a full year of clean water. Filtration type: carbon filtration, ion exchange, and submicron mechanical filtration. Contaminants filtered: removes 78 contaminants, including chlorine, chloramine, lead, VOCs, asbestos, turbidity, mercury, cysts, PFOA/PFOS, herbicides, pesticides, pharmaceuticals, and microplastics. Retains minerals. Yes, certified by WQA. Dimensions: 9.7 by 8 by 11.6 inches. Number 4. AquaTru Countertop Water Filtration System. Reverse osmosis works by pushing water through a semi-permeable membrane that captures some of the smallest contaminants, even those on a molecular level. This process removes substances like salt, dirt, and other particulates that most standard filters cannot touch, producing an exceptionally pure taste and clear water. The AquaTru Countertop Reverse Osmosis Filter uses a 4-stage filtration system, including a reverse osmosis membrane, to transform tap water into clean, great-tasting drinking water. To use, simply fill the 1-gallon tank, and the system converts it into about 3 quarts of filtered water. During testing, we found that it completely transformed our cloudy, funky-tasting tap water into crystal clear, odor-free water with no perceptible aftertaste. Setup required a few components, but the helpful instructional videos made the process easy to follow. To dispense water, press and hold the button, then release when your glass is full. We did notice slight dripping after releasing the button and found it mildly inconvenient to have to hold it down, but its sleek, modern design more than made up for that small drawback. It is also reasonably compact but does require an outlet for operation. The AquaTru includes a digital display that shows when it is time to replace the filters. The reverse osmosis filter lasts around 2 years, while the pre/carbon filter lasts 6 months and the carbon VOC filter lasts up to 1 year. Replacements are sold as a 3-piece set. This system has been tested and certified by the IAPMO to meet NSF standards 42, 53, 58, 401, and P473, and the filters remove 83 contaminants, including lead, arsenic, fluoride, chlorine, and nitrates. Filtration type: 4-stage reverse osmosis. Contaminants filtered: removes 83 contaminants, including lead, arsenic, PFAs, fluoride, chlorine, and nitrates. Retains minerals. No, certified by, tested and certified by IAPMO to meet NSF/ANSI standards 41, 53, 58, 401. Dimensions: 14 by 14 by 12 inches. Number 5. Bluevua Reverse Osmosis Countertop Water Filter. The Bluevua Reverse Osmosis Countertop Water Filter combines the simplicity of a water filter pitcher with the power of a multi-stage filtration system. Designed much like a drip coffee maker, it automatically fills its glass carafe with purified water once the filtration process finishes. The carafe is made of durable borosilicate glass, holds up to 7 cups, and features easy-to-read measurement markings. The setup for this water filter is simpler than most. Just plug it in, flush the system a few times before first use as the manufacturer recommends, and press the button to start filtering. In testing, we found that it was impressively fast, producing a full pitcher of clean water in less than 5 minutes. This system uses a 4-stage filtration process that includes a reverse osmosis membrane. We found that it produced clean, crisp-tasting water compared to the cloudy tap water poured into the unfiltered side. We also appreciated the optional mineral insert, which restores essential minerals and gives the water a refreshing mineral water flavor. The Stage 1, 2, and 4 filters need replacing about once a year, while the Stage 3 filter lasts up to 2 years. A digital display shows the water quality, pitcher level, and filter life, conveniently alerting you when it's time to replace each one. SGS has certified these filters to NSF standards 42, 53, and 401, though the system itself is not fully NSF certified according to the NSF database. Filtration type: 4-stage reverse osmosis, contaminants filtered, chlorides, lead, chlorine, fluoride, heavy metals, mercury, radium, chromium, arsenic, chloramine, retains minerals. No, certified by SGS. Dimensions: 15 by 10.9 by 14.3 inches.